In a recent development sparking widespread controversy, opposition leader Advocate Ziso Chamisa has strongly criticized President Mnangagwa's administration for the denial of bail to Jameson Timber and fellow opposition members. Sambita mashoko aitoka pana Ziso Chamisa kuti vo subscribe like or turn on the bell icon. Timina mzimu anyara vachiti. In a poignant statement released on Saturday, Chamisa articulated his stance. The courts as guarantors of rights and liberties. The courts are the custodians, guidance, and guarantors of justice, the last bastion of our collective dignity and sanity. Courts are entrusted to uphold fundamental rights and freedoms. When they lose their independence and professionalism, they inevitably fall short in this duty. And when they do so, they inadvertently surrender the frontiers of justice, rights, and fundamental freedoms to beasts who cannibalize the innocent and feast on citizen liberties. The right to bail is one fundamental right that must never be compromised, negated, or undermined. We will fix all this in no time. #New Dawn, #for everyone. Ndo mashikantoko pana Ziso Chamisa achiti aiwa government aisi ku execute ma citizen rights iri kuma violate achiti aiwa every citizen has got a right to bail. Mashoko a Ziso Chamisa ari kuya criticize government Mnangagwa. Tuze mafungiro enyu pine kuma section medu, zano subscribe like